ट्रेलर से हमें बहुत कुछ एक्साइटिंग चीज़ें हमने देखी ट्रेलर में, तो मुझे बहुत उम्मीद है इस फिल्म से।
Kiran, we know that Amir is shooting, but I'm sure he must be reading all the news about Mami. What has his reaction been like?
He's been very excited that the city has kind of come together. This year we have more than double the number of registrations than last year. People are so supportive, people are so, kind, and actually the film, the reactions on Twitter, the, general reactions have been good. So he's been really happy about it. He was very nervous for me.
Oh, okay.
आमतौर पे फेस्टिवल सर्किट में जो फिल्में होती हैं वो हाउसफुल नहीं होती, लेकिन इस बार ट्रेंड टूटा है।
जी,
और
जी।
आपको 3 स्क्रीन मूवी पैक्ड हाउसेस,
जी।
जाहिर सी बात है कि
ऑडियंस है, हमें सिर्फ तकलीफ़ उठानी है उन तक फिल्में पहुंचाने की। तो आई थिंक जब लोग कहते हैं कि इस तरह की फिल्मों का मार्केट नहीं है, ये गलत है। हाँ, हम इस बार हमें पता चला, क्योंकि इस बार के पहले एहसास नहीं था कि कितने लोग आएंगे, पर इस बार पता चला है कि हमारे 5 वेन्यूज़ हैं और वो भी सारे पैक्ड जा रहे हैं। तो और अगले साल हम लोग और वेन्यूज़ इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और लोगों तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, और बहुत सीखें मिली हैं हमें इस बार, जो हम नेक्स्ट टाइम डेफिनेटली सही करेंगे। पर डेफिनेटली हमें इतना हौसला तो आया है, वी गॉट सो मच कॉन्फिडेंस नाउ दैट लोग आ रहे हैं देखने, और ये आपके आमतौर की फिल्में नहीं हैं। कुछ काफ़ी मुश्किल फिल्में हैं, कुछ बहुत आर्टिस्टिक है, पर कुछ बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग भी हैं। तो अलग के दौरान, और हमें तो हम लोग बहुत satisfied हो गए देखकर।
It's been growing every year, no doubt in that, ma'am. You've been always supportive for
Yeah.
film festival like this, whether it's documentary or short films, ma'am. So there was a news saying that you and Ayan Mukherjee is going to direct a short film. How true is that, and who is the cast for that?
I have no idea. I'll ask him, but I don't know anything about it.
Nothing, ma'am. So, ma'am, you've always been supporting for independent cinema like this,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
So, what are your procedure next year? It would be on a larger scale every year. It's been happening like.
Well, next year we'll be giving you our plans for next year on the 5th. परसों आखिरी दिन है फेस्टिवल का, और उस दिन हम पूरा अपना अगले साल का प्लान सबके साथ बांटेंगे। और उसके अलावा ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग इसके फेस्टिवल के बाद बैठ के आराम से सोचेंगे कि क्या ठीक गया, क्या ठीक नहीं गया, हम किस तरह से इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, और फिर इंशाल्लाह अगले साल और भी बड़े तौर पे और भी अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हम लोग कर पाएंगे।
Which are the films that really impress you? And at the same time, you've been supporting a lot of cinema in the past. So what are the films you love to support in future, or maybe present, to give them a proper release?
Right. In this festival, you can see that the variety is huge, but the quality of films has been excellent throughout, and we really support that. We feel that even if you have 5 films, they should be really well-picked films, and I think that's the key of any festival, is the programming, and it's paying attention to the details of like the kind of films that you program. For me, it's exciting because this gives filmmakers a platform to showcase their work and get a reaction from an audience. It gives distributors a chance to test the waters कि भाई हम ये फिल्म लेंगे तो लोग देखेंगे आने के नहीं. So it's a great testing ground for films. It's also a way to expose an audience to a new kind of cinematic language, and I think that's very important in India, क्योंकि हमारे थिएटर्स में लोगों को कुछ अलग देखने को मिलता ही नहीं है. तो अगर हम लोग डालेंगे नहीं, हम लोग कोशिश नहीं करेंगे उन तक कुछ नया पहुंचाने की, तो हम कैसे कह सकते हैं कि ऑडियंस नहीं है. पहले आप आजमाएं, दिखाएं, उनको थोड़ा इनकरेज करें कि आकर देखिए. फिर अगर नहीं आए तो फिर कुछ और ट्राई करें. हमें तो नहीं लगता है कि देयर इज़ नोइंग. आजकल की जो नई पीढ़ी है, आप जैसे सब लोग देखते हैं अलग अलग तरह की चीज़ें, और इंटरनेट तो है ही, पर ये एक जगह बन जाती है जहाँ आप एक दूसरे से मिल सकते हैं, कॉन्वर्सेशंस हो सकती हैं, नए प्रोजेक्ट्स निकल सकते हैं. तो एक फिल्म फेस्टिवल बहुत अलाइव जगह हो जाती है, बहुत एक एक्साइटिंग स्पेस है उस चीज़ के लिए.
Kiran, we are also awaiting the release of Dangal next year. Everyone is very excited about it. While on one hand Amir has gained weight for the role, there are also reports that he will be losing it for a particular section of it.
Yes.
So any concerns on the same? How will he manage to lose it very easily?
Yeah, he's it's a film about a man, and you see a journey of this character. So there is a section of the film in which he has to play his younger self, because in the film he's playing an older man. So he's a wrestler in the film, so he has to play the wrestler at his youth, at his peak also. So to become a wrestler at his peak, like a national level wrestler, it's going to take a lot of work, and he's going to start working on that from January.
But how will he lose weight? Any concerns on that? Losing it so easily?
No, it'll be done in a systematic way. We've kept enough time, and it's going to be done very scientifically with the help of nutritionists and, you know, physical, you know, experts. So yeah, we'll do it properly. Of course, it's a question of being able to do it within the shoot period when we need to shoot it. But we've kept it for the end so that, you know, because it's just not so much work, but so we've kept it towards the end.
Do you think Amir will also get a national award with this one?
Oh, I have no idea. You know, actually, I think for Amir, he always says that it's the people who award me. I don't need anybody else. I just need the audience's response. I need their reactions. That's the most important. He always says that. He's, you know.
Okay, just one last question. Which is that one film of Amir that you can watch again and again and again?
Again and again and again. I think Lagan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.